Ukraine adapted quickly in the war against Russia, one way being to increase drone production to meet the growing demand on the front lines. Ukraine relaxed import laws and eliminated taxes on drone parts and equipment. Here are 5 domestically produced Ukrainian drones used in the war against Russia. 1. A1CM Furia. The A1CM Furia is a Ukrainian-made unmanned aerial vehicle drone designed for aerial reconnaissance in the field. It is controlled using a special rectangular portable station about the size of a guitar case. It made its first flight in 2014 and was commissioned by the Ukrainian Armed Forces in 2020. The A1CM Furia UAV was used in the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine. Two, Ukrspec Systems. PD2 to the Ukrspec Systems. PD2 is the successor to the combat-proven PD1 UAS. The PD2 UAS is a ready-to-fly drone designed for a wide range of missions over a wide geographic range and is military approved. Three, Punisher. Looking more like the work of a drone hobbyist than a warplane designer, the Punisher has a wingspan of just 7.9 feet. Its rechargeable electric motors can keep it flying at altitudes of up to 1,300 feet for up to 3 hours. Cruising at 39 knots, it has a maximum speed of 125 miles per hour and a range of up to 30 miles. Four, Lelika 100. The Lelika 100 is an electric unmanned aerial vehicle operated by the Ukrainian Armed Forces. It was developed by Deviro, a Ukraine-based manufacturer of unmanned aircraft systems. The drone can conduct aerial reconnaissance, patrol, and area mapping to support military, industrial, and commercial missions. Five, Spectator M1. Ukraine's new Spectator M1 military drone is equipped with a new thermographic camera and an advanced control station. The drone's developers claim the Spectator M1 can fly silently. Due to its small size and specially selected fuselage color, it is difficult to spot.